pissed off, baby. I'm too wavy for all this bullshit that you bring me in.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video and for watching again. The look I will bring to you today is basically just like my everyday routine, you know, to-go look. That's what it is, my to-go look. That just clicked in my head. Yeah, it's not like, I don't want to say my natural look, but like just like more dumbed down look. And I just thought I do a video like this compared to like the other videos I have, you know, one's glitter, one's green eyeshadow, one's this, like, so I just wanted to, you know, just bring it down just a notch. But yeah, so this is my everyday glam, I guess you can say. Like I said, I'm still trying to figure out this whole like lighting situation for you guys, because it just looks like one way when recording, but it looks a different way in person. I just look at myself in the mirror and I'm just trying to like capture how it looks in person. Still learning. But yeah, Happy New Year's. This is my first video, obviously. It's January 6th, not January 2nd. This is my first video that I'm making after the new year. So happy New Year's, happy 2018. But yeah, so anywho, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so first off, I'm going to go in with the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Fawn. I'm just going to apply that onto my lids. I'm going to be using this as my eyeshadow base. So I'm just going to basically blend that all out, as you can see. Okay, and to set my eyelids, I'm just going to take the Mercier translucent powder. Next, I'm just taking my Tartelette in Bloom palette. Honestly, it's been through a lot. Please don't judge. As long as the colors are there, it's still usable, it's still intact somewhat. But yeah, I'm just taking the color Rebel and I'm putting that into my crease. Taking my ABH Modern Renaissance palette in the color Cypress Umber, and I'm going to apply that into my crease. Now I'm taking the MAC eyeshadow in the color Bronze. I'm going to be using it as my lid color. I'm going to go back with my Tartelette in Bloom palette, and I'm going to take the color Firecracker and put that on top of my lid as well, just to give it more of a pop. I'm going to take the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Orange. I'm just going to color correct all my dark spots. I'm going to take Fawn again. I'm going to place it on top of where I put the orange, just because the orange is a bit too pigmented, so I'm using this to dumb it down a bit. And then I'm going to blend it out with my finger. And for foundation, I'm going to be taking Becca Ultimate Coverage, once again in the color Amber.
I know what this sound like, it's crazy. You know how I get down, I'm crazy for you when it go down.
And for concealer, going back in with that Fawn in the LA Pro Girl Concealer. Just going to apply that under my eye, my forehead, and my chin area.
See, I'm just a friend.
There's a little bit of the Mercier translucent powder just to set my face.
I stay fresh, plus I know you know I'm fly. Now give me one good reason why you wouldn't want this type of guy.
Now taking the Milani Baked Bronzer in the color 05 Soleil. I'm just going to place that in my jaw area and a bit on my forehead.
I denied you way before this, but God, I was back and now you're gorgeous, oh no.
For my contour, I'm going to be using the Morphe palette.
Say I'm just a friend. Oh, baby, I can be. You got what I need, oh yeah. Whoa, yeah. You know I'm fly. I pull up, don't don't deny me, cause baby, it drives me crazy when you say.
Using my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette in the color Fiji and Seychelles as my highlighter.
I wanna be the one to get you some. I wanna be the one to hold. I know what this sound like is crazy. You could be Beyonce, I'll be Jay-Z. I know that's just
Placing my eyelashes off camera, and now we're back. Now I'm just taking the Huda Beauty again in the color Seychelles, and I'm going to apply that into my inner corner. And on to lips, I'm going to be taking the MAC lip pencil in the color Cork. I'm just going to apply that all over. By the way, once again, I feel like I'm always apologizing about my lighting, but sorry. It just switched up on me, so now I just look more glowy, or there's a bit of shadows going on. Didn't mean for that to happen, just kind of turned on me. As for my main color for the lips, I'm going to be taking the Mary Kay lipstick in the color Downtown Brown. Okay, and that's it. That's the video. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. Yeah, to make sure that you do, you know, what you should be doing. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, just all that great stuff. Thank you for the ones that have, and if you haven't, what are you doing? But anywho, I'll see you in my next video. Once again, thanks for watching, guys.
Telling me I'm just afraid. Quit telling me I'm just afraid. Yeah.